kids, welcome to our learning time. Today we will learn an important life skill. All kids excited. Decision making. What is decision making? Decision making means choosing what to do. Every day, we make decisions. What to wear, what to eat, how to behave. Good decisions help us stay happy and safe. Why good decisions matter? Good decisions help us stay safe, be kind, learn better, make friends. Smart choices make life better. 4 easy steps to make a good decision. Let's learn 4 easy steps. 1. Stop and think. 2. Look at your choices. 3. Think about what may happen. 4. Choose the best option. These steps help you choose wisely. Good versus bad decision. Your friend says, let's share our toys. That's a good decision. Your friend says, let's break the rules. That's a bad decision. Choose what is right. Quick decision game. Let's play a game. If you find a lost pencil, should you A. Keep it. B. Give it to the teacher. Yes, giving it back is the right choice. Ask for help. If you feel confused, it's okay. Ask a trusted adult. Parent, teacher, asking for help is a smart decision too. Always remember kids, all together. Stop, think, and choose wisely. Smart decisions make strong kids. See you next time.